The word show, to display or present something to others. On show something, show pictures, show a movie. Can you show me the photos from your trip? A gallery will show pictures from the 19th century. They will show a movie about the history of the city tonight. To demonstrate or explain clearly. Show how, show the way, show the results. Let me show you how to use the new software. None the guide will show the way to the museum. The data show the results of the experiment. To indicate or point out. One show the direction, show the way, show a path. The sign will show the direction to the nearest exit. It will show the way to the meeting room. And we need to show the path clearly for the hikers. To present a performance or event. Show a performance. Show your skills. Show off. The dancers will show a performance at the festival. He was eager to show his skills during the audition. And she loves to show off her new clothes to her friends, to reveal or expose information, and show interest, show evidence, show emotion. She did not show interest in the topic during the discussion. The investigation showed evidence of fraud in the company. He tried not to show emotion during the speech, to express or indicate a feeling or reaction, and show support, show affection, show concern. And the community gathered to show support for the victims, and he always shows affection for his pet dog. She made a point to show concern for her colleagues' well-being,